Hey everyone, welcome back to Jay Get It. Today, we're tackling a serious issue that can impact any of us, a ransomware attack on your credit union or bank. What should you do if your financial institution is compromised? Let's walk through the steps together. First, let's quickly define what ransomware is. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts data, locking users out until a ransom is paid to the attacker. When this happens to a bank or credit union, it can disrupt your access to accounts, personal information, and financial services. Breaking news! Local credit union has fallen victim to a ransomware attack. Customers are advised to monitor their accounts and take precautionary measures. So what should you do if you hear that your bank or credit union has been hit by ransomware? Here are the steps you need to take immediately. Step number 1, monitor your accounts. First and foremost, monitor your accounts closely. Check your balances, transactions, and any unusual activity. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to your bank immediately. Stay vigilant and review your accounts daily. This helps you catch any unauthorized transactions early and minimize potential damage. Step number 2, change your passwords. Next, change your passwords. Update your online banking password and any other passwords associated with your financial accounts. Use strong, unique passwords and consider using a password manager to keep track of them. Make sure your new passwords are difficult to guess and different from your previous ones. This adds an extra layer of security. Step number 3, contact your bank. Reach out to your bank or credit union. They should have a plan in place for handling such incidents and can provide you with important information and guidance. Follow their instructions carefully. Ask about any temporary measures they are implementing, such as new account numbers or additional verification steps. Step number 4, monitor your credit reports. Check your credit reports for any signs of identity theft. You can get a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Look for any accounts or inquiries you don't recognize and report them immediately. Step number 5, use alternative payment methods. Consider using alternative payment methods while your bank resolves the issue. This might include using credit cards, digital wallets, or cash. Having multiple payment options can help you stay on top of your finances even if your primary account is compromised. Step number 6, stay informed. Stay updated on situation. Follow your bank's official communications and news updates. They'll provide you the latest information on the breach and what steps they're taking to resolve it. Regular updates can help you make informed decisions and take appropriate actions. Step number 7, avoid phishing scams. Be wary of phishing scams. Attackers might try to exploit the situation by sending fraudulent emails or messages. Don't click on suspicious links or provide personal information unless you're certain it's from a legitimate source. Always verify the sender and be cautious of unsolicited communications. Dealing with ransomware attack on your bank or credit union can be stressful, but following these steps can help protect your finances and personal information. Have you ever experienced a financial data breach? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. We've got more great content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying informed and taking immediate action can make a big difference. Remember, the only people who get it are the people who get it. See you in the next episode of Jay Get It. Bye-bye.